This is part 2, chat. Let's take off. Garuda Indonesia Flight 182. Yo, wah, 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 wah! Oh, bro did the trick shot. Bro said trick shot. I don't know what the fuck is that? This is not Patrick Carr's Patrick's car, bro. Patrick. Vroom vroom. What the hell? I'd rather cross the crossing! How did I just survive? Just getting out of a pickup. Just getting out of a pickup truck. The ultimate Patrick Super 10 RV. Who cares about an RV, bro? I have to drive vroom vroom. Oh, tilt. That's a tilt. Oh, that's what you heard that, bro? Bro, that's crazy. Oh my god, bro. How should I do this? Chat, we're gonna spawn the tallest car ever. The Toyota Supra 1,000,000.0. Yes, the tallest Supra in the world. I'm talking about this fictional vehicle, but what the fuck is this semi? Bro lost the trailer! Thanks, bro. Dong, dong, dong. I think I just shitted myself. Will the train just spawn, bro? Will the train spawn? It just tapped it. He's coming. Oh! What the hell? Bro! Hell no. Bro just did that. Bro just said, I'm AFK. Chat, let's go home. Let's spawn a luxury car. Yes, made by Luxury Sock. Yes, a fictional one. I'd rather name it Rolls Royce because of this SUV. Just sit there and I'm robbing this dumbass. I'm robbing this shit. Tell me, I'm not fucking CJ. I'm just talking about some shit, yes. Whoa! That was close. La la la! What the hell? What the hell? Bro, what the fuck? Bro, what the hell? Bro, why's the windows moving? Why's the windows moving, bro? I think I couldn't survive from the front. Can I? More. How? When will this thing? Yo! Go round by train, boy. This is why you have to say safety concerns. Come on, vroom vroom. Oi! What the hell? Stop, little shit. Dong. Bro, why's there lorry floor on the deck? Bro got hit by Shinkansen. This is not Shinkansen, bro. That's not Shinkansen. Chat, I'm not in Japan, you morpho. This is not Japan, morpho. Vroom. Bro just hit a mail truck. Let's go to the neighborhood. Oh. Why won't they add the sidewalk? Yeah, you just fucking walk on the road. Chat, I got good news and bad news. The good news is, whoa, whoa. The good news is, I built the Costa piston. The bad news, I'm gonna vroom vroom this car. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Vroom vroom little vroom vroom. Oh, whoa. I don't care about luxury socks. Who cares about that? Oh my god! Who did the backflip? Bro did a fucking backflip, bro. I think bro did backflip. Let's try again. Whoa! What the hell? No! I can subscribe, chat. Chat, I can subscribe.